Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, and then to Talkback. Then you have to enable it here, tap OK. After that, this Talkback tutorial will start. So here you have this Talkback tutorial, you can get to know with it.
Seat control.
Why is it so?
90% seat.
So
Accessibility. Back button.
if you want to disable this feature, tap here.
Talkback. Off. Turn off button. Talkback off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.